For this project, we're going to need the BBC Microbit, the RGB board, the infrared sensor, and the LED RGB strip. We're going to write some code that will use the infrared sensor to trigger rotating the colour of the LED lights in the RGB strip. For this, we need to make sure that the RGB extensions are loaded into MakeCode. If you want to know how to do that, watch one of the previous videos. So here we are in MakeCode, and we've got two major blocks we're going to use: an on-start initialization block and a forever block, which loops continuously. In the start block, we first set each of the 4 pixels labeled 0 to 3 to the initial colors of your choosing. We then added a tick icon just to confirm that the Microbit had successfully downloaded the code and started executing. In the forever block, we use the IR sensor triggered event. While the IR sensor is triggered, that means whilst you're holding your finger over the sensor, it rotates the RGB pixels by 1. We then pause for 150 milliseconds just to give you a chance to see the colours of the pixels before they rotate again. Let's see if it works. You've been listening to Chris Evans. I'm a small creator, so a like and comment would really make a difference. See you next time.